Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to join an admin server and steal a Brainrot Roblox. Now this tutorial will be pretty easy and straightforward. You will just have to follow these few steps that I'm going to show you. So let's get straight into it. First, you have to go to the Roblox website and then go on to the search bar and search for Steal a Brainrot. So it should be in the first thing that you will find in the searches, which is Steal a Brainrot in Experiences. Click on that. Now click on the game to join it. And here you will find yourself on this page. So what you have to do here is go to servers in the right and scroll down a bit. Here you will find all the private servers that your friends are in. You can click on join. If you know that any of your friends are admins in their servers, you can just join the server, or you can scroll down and go find other servers. And if you know that people are admins in their other servers, you can just click on join and you will be able to join the server very easily. Now once you click on join, you will find yourself on this page, which is saying Roblox is now loading, get ready, and the game will be launched and you'll be able to join the private server as an admin. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.